Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I will show you how you can add leads from Facebook lead ads to a Google Sheet spreadsheet. So what you want to do first is scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're going to do it, you'll get right here to make.com. Make.com is an amazing company that is create integrations and automations connection between various applications. They get perfect customer support, and you can also try it completely for free with the Gmail, Facebook, normal email or GitHub. And when you're going to have it, you want to click on templates when you're going to be an organization, and here you want to write Facebook lead ads, click on it, and then you see right here all the integrations that you can do. So right now you see add leads from Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet spreadsheet, click on it, and then every time a new lead is collected from Facebook lead ads, Integromat will automatically add a new row with leads into Google Sheet spreadsheet. And here you want to create a new scenario from the template. And then what you have to do, and that's it, just connect your Facebook account and Google Sheets account, and that's you're pretty good to go. And that's pretty much how you can do it. When you're gonna like connect your Facebook leads and Google Sheets, you're gonna be in scenario, and let's imagine that you're gonna have it right here. You can turn it on, and then you're gonna connect with the Google Calendar or ClickUp or whatever, and then you can easily save it. When you're gonna have the Facebook and Google Sheets here, you can run it once, and that's pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. But this is just a quick tutorial how you can find it and how you can use it, so you don't have to search too much about how you can add leads from Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet spreadsheet. So